Hello guys, welcome to DOFA bike channel. Today I'm going to introduce our first new developed model in 2023, the 4000 watt Maxi-scooter Wind. Okay, let's get started from the header. When you start the power, you can see this amazing TFT screen, which is customized with the brand logo from our client. Then let's turn left to the left handlebar. The first one is high beam and deep beam button, next to the emergency flasher button. Then the below is the left and right steering light. The last one is horn and parking button. Let's check what's on the right handlebar. Firstly, there is a Bluetooth connection here. You can listen to music, pick phone calls by controlling the buttons after connecting with your smartphone. And you may also play other media by inserting your USB or TF disc. The next one is button switch between daytime and nighttime running light. The third one is mode switch button. In mode 1, the real max speed will be around 50 km per hour. In mode 2, 80 km per hour. And in mode 3, 100. The last button is a repair button and a reverse button to help you back the bike. Under the header, we designed some storage to put the stuff like the phone, bottom, and purse. We also have a USB charging port here to charge the battery for the phone. All the headlight and the steering light are LED light. Then let's come down to see the front tire here. It's a 13-inch vacuum tire with double disc brake system. Let's move to the side face of this scooter. We have a kickstander here. When you lay down it, the motor power will be automatic cutoff, which is especially useful while a child on the bike. The foot peg is comfortable when there is a passenger on the bike. Wind scooter is developed with a 17 ampere fast charging system, so the charging port is bigger. What's more, this bike is equipped with an external speaker, which can not only play the media, but also can imitate the sound of a real gas engine to increase the fun of driving. Let's come to the rear side of the scooter. You can find a strong 4000 watt traction hub motor on the rear tire. We only use first-class parts to develop the electric motorcycles. And the rear light is also LED light. The long and soft seat make sure the comfortable feeling for both driver and the passenger. Let's come to the inside part to check the batteries of this bike. We can see double portable 72 volt 32 ampere hour Li-ion batteries here. The 17 ampere fast charger make sure the full charging time is not over 4 hours. You can switch between the two batteries pack with this button easily. this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please like and focus on DOFA Bike YouTube channel. If you are interested in importing electric motorcycles from factory and start your own business, please visit dofabike.com for more information. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.